Hey, good morning, folks. Roger Bain from Bain Custom Woodworking. It has been exactly 29 days from today that I had total knee replacement, and I finally made it back to the shop. I'm on limited duty, but the doc said, give it a shot, see how long you can last, just don't overdo. So I've been posting some of my older projects, so I thought I might post the two projects that I get to start with now that I'm back to work. So hold right on and I'll show them to you. This is an old ironing board that my client's grandmother used, and he wants me to turn it into a console table. So we'll see how that works out. We're going to give that a shot. So you can follow along with this process. I hope to start this process this week. This is the next project I have to work on. This is a piano that my customer used as a child and that they played, but they're tired of lugging it around. Obviously, it's a very heavy device. I'll actually tag the folks that moved it to my shop for me last week, but my client would like me to tear this entire thing apart and turn it into a bench for their dining room table. So it does work. It's actually a Schiller from Oregon called a Conservatory Special. And actually my grandchildren were in last week and gave me some ideas on how they think the bench should look. So we'll see how it works out. It'll probably be a couple weeks before I take this challenge on, because it obviously is going to be quite heavy on my knee. But I will keep you posted on how this project goes as well.